Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Deploying Your First AI App to the Cloud. Sharing your AI with the world. You've built an amazing AI model, congratulations. But right now, it's probably stuck on your computer. Deployment is simply the process of taking your AI from your personal machine and making it available for others to use. Anywhere in the world. Think of it like taking your secret, delicious cookie recipe from your kitchen and setting up a bakery so everyone can buy and enjoy your cookies. It's about sharing your creation beyond your own desk. Imagine your AI as a brilliant fortune teller. Currently, it only tells fortunes when your laptop is on and you're running its code. What if 1,000 people want their fortune told at the exact same moment? Your laptop would struggle, slow down, or even crash. Plus, people can't just connect to your personal computer from their phones or across the globe. We need a more robust, always-on solution that can handle many users simultaneously. The cloud isn't some magical mist. It's a fancy term for powerful computers, storage, and networking hardware owned by big companies like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, or Microsoft Azure, in huge data centers. Instead of buying your own supercomputer, you rent space and processing power from them. It's like renting an apartment for your AI in a giant, always-on, super secure building, rather than keeping it in your tiny bedroom where it might get overcrowded. Your AI isn't just your code. It needs specific tools, libraries, and settings to run correctly. If you just send someone your code, it might not work on their computer because they're missing a specific ingredient. Containerization, often using a tool called Docker, is like packing your AI and all its specific ingredients, tools, and instructions into a standardized, self-contained shipping container. This container ensures your AI will run perfectly and consistently on any computer, whether it's yours or one in the cloud. Once your AI is living in the cloud, how do people actually use it? They don't log into your cloud computer. Instead, we create an API, application programming interface. Think of an API as a restaurant menu. You don't go into the kitchen to cook. You look at the menu, pick a dish, e.g., give me a movie recommendation for sci-fi, and the waiter, the API, takes your order to the chef. Your AI, the chef, cooks, and the waiter brings back your meal. The recommendation, it's a standardized way for other programs or users to order services from your AI. While it can get complex, the core steps for a developer are: 1. Prepare your AI. Ensure your AI code is clean, tested, and ready to go. 2. Containerize it. Put your AI and all its dependencies into that shipping container using a tool like Docker. 3. Choose a cloud platform. Pick your apartment building, e.g., AWS, GCP, Azure, and a service within it designed for running containers. 4. Upload and run. Send your container to the cloud platform and tell it to start running. 5. Expose an API. Set up the restaurant menu API endpoint so that other applications or users can send requests to your running AI and get responses back. This makes your AI accessible via a simple web address. Deploying your AI to the cloud gives it incredible superpowers. Always on. Your AI is available 24/7, even when your laptop is off. Scalability. If 10 people or 1 million people want to use your AI, the cloud can automatically provide more chefs, more computing power to handle the demand. Your laptop simply can't do that. Global reach. Anyone with an internet connection can use your AI, anywhere in the world. Reliability. Cloud providers have professional teams ensuring everything works so you don't have to worry about hardware failures or power outages. Cost effective. You only pay for the computing power you use. Like paying rent only when you're using the apartment, rather than buying a whole building. You've learned the fundamental concepts of deploying your AI. The journey from a local script to a global service begins here. Your next steps could involve exploring frameworks like Flask or FastAPI to build your AI's API, getting hands-on with Docker for containerization, and trying out the free tiers offered by cloud platforms like AWS or GCP to deploy a simple AI application. Imagine building an AI that helps people with homework, suggests recipes, or even generates art, and then sharing it with the entire world. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.